everyone to celebrate RBG coming to campus. We also could not have a Meredith College event without t-shirts.
Women belong in all places where decisions are made, and I'd like to add to that, Meredith women belong in all places where decisions are made. And second of all, there will be enough female justices on the Supreme Court when there are 9.
We've been out here since 6 a.m. We are tired. Very tired.
Wow.
Doing great. Super excited, like ridiculous. Not at all. We love you, RBG. Yes, we do. We love you, RBG. It will be true. When you're not with us, we're blue. Oh, RBG, we love you.
Tonight, it's my great privilege to introduce Justice Ginsburg. Please join me now in congratulating Meredith College's Woman of Achievement, Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
Whatever field you choose to pursue, in addition, do something that is outside yourself, something that will make things better in your community for people less fortunate than you are. Things that will bring people together instead of dividing them. So whatever is your passion, whether it's climate change or the remaining discrimination, do something that will help repair the tears in your community.